Morning. I think I got it right this time. Got 5 minutes till the open, so let's see what's going on here. Currently trading above price range high, which is interesting. So that's going to be bullish above. Could go for the gap close to be seen how we open up here, but especially above that POC and above value. Kind of leading to the upside here. Huge move up. I'm kind of late, so I'm kind of doing everything at once. Hope everyone's doing well. Morning, morning, morning. Huge move up. Starts consolidating. Interesting. It's going to be interesting to see if we hold private value area high at 370s. If you lose that, I'll be looking for a price gap close, which is freaking 200 points. Damn, dude, this is going to be a volatile session, I think. morning. 1 minute till the open. You have a good week too, sir. Everyone needs a good week. It's going to be a volatile one too, I think. Markets open. Oh, is she lagging? God damn it. That ain't good. Is she really lagging? God damn it. I don't want to reboot. Should be good though. Should be good. Fairly slow open, I have to say. This is freaking lagging hard. Trying to see if she wants to close the price gap or not, which basically is going to be prior PLC-ish if she goes there. I'm basically looking at if she wants to go in value from the prior day, and if she does she want to do a rotation towards the downside that would close the gap, price gap, and at the same time do value rotations. I don't want to short here for sure, I think. This little sketch. I mean, this is like barcoding first 5 minutes. Nice. That ain't good. Morning, sir. Damn, that's a really slow open for like an overnight move like that, and then to open like this. Damn. Not something I want to play just yet, I think. Don't see anything too obvious. I want to put risk on 4. It's definitely bullish above prior range high. It's kind of squeezing on a higher time frame here. Is it the flag? Is it the bull flag? Or is it going to be a bull trap? Not the biggest fan just yet. I like it more short than long, to be honest. If it fails some certain levels. Strong right here. At the same time, I don't see anything really too long from, or it really should have been right here, T90, the opening price. And candles are big too. Jesus. Yeah, I would love for price to get back into value. Got big candles here though. It's gotta be aware. $40, 50-point candles here, normal. Not something I want to short, I think. Got a conflicting information in my head. Gotta be careful because we do have somewhat of balance here. Freaking Trump. I think he's still speaking to. It's definitely strong above above the opening price. Definitely not something I want to short here. I think long is the move above opening price. Just not seeing it at the moment. It is Monday, so we can take it slow. Got a little 40-point wick on that bottom of that candle. There's something in me that wants to short it. It's too strong to short it, and I don't see good movement structure to the upside. Not a fan of what it's doing right now. This thing is squeezing. The big trades are set to 40. And look at the freaking candles, dude. This is 233 ticks. 50, 60 points. Yeah, 50, 60 points. Delta is kind of weak here, but yeah, it's just a matter of time, I think. Could have longed that opening price 3 times. Could have been a thing, opening the opening price instead of waiting. Candles are too big to chase, though. Gotta be precise here. Probably good for another 40 points up. SMT. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with SMTs. Is that something like divergence on the two assets, I think? I don't know. Yeah, not sure. I think that's more juice for NQ. If ES still has to pop it, ES pops it, then NQ will go even higher. Kind of want to see what's going on with oil, because that thing dropped like 10%, I think. %9 at the moment, and still hinting down. I mean, that's just putting pressure on everything else in the market for sure. Yeah, ideal trade location was opening price here for me. I wasn't feeling it. Kind of want to see a little pop, come back, or something like that. Morning, sir. Like, look at the velocity all of a sudden. Who is saying something? Jesus, look at the price action here, man. You just need to slow down, sir. That's the only thing you need to do. Price moving down, delta still strong here. Brutal. I didn't want to chase. I wanted price to come to me, to get me filled, to try to be in this move up. Now we basically failed again here, so I don't want to be chasing it, I think. Not the biggest fan though. Not the biggest fan. Just not a fan of how price is moving. Is that the move? Freaking Trump is speaking too, man. Come on. Top of the hour here. First 30 minutes done. I'm so not a fan of this price action, dude. Jesus. I think I'm fighting a wall here. It could be a big bubble on top. It's something I don't like to see. Because I feel there's a wall and I want to see I don't want to see a big bubble on top of a candle. I'll take the break even with pleasure. Just trailing tight because there's not really a level for me. It's struggling here. I'm not a fan. Should have been somewhat more aggressive, lower, especially around the opening price. Trump ends remarks. Thanks, man. See what happens at the opening price. This could be a pullback though. It's gonna be an insta rect or insta money, I think. Just trying to play the continuation here. It's not working. I'm again not too happy with trade location though. It's basically in the middle of nothing for me. Everything but break even. $50. Dude, I'm like long 2 micros. I'm already up. Please though, so continue. So, Sir NASDAQ. Delta looks strong, but if there's no result, no, that ain't looking too good. Right here, right now, okay. Seems like not. It's kind of a wall up here. Kind of want to wait for price to trade towards the opening price. See what happens here for decisions. Could be a case of my stop was a little bit too tight, but I don't want to fuck around too much with this price action. There's like a shit ton of buying going on here, and we are not moving anywhere. USA, so down. The issue with this price action is that she's hinting to pop up, but seems like there's like a wall. So unless she starts to pop above these levels, like the last 5 minutes, Delta has been really bullish, pushing up. We're unable to push through. So it's going to be looking really weak if you're not able to push through those highs. She has to push through to show strength. But yeah, like level wise, she's really not moving towards any levels. Any levels. Only level I got here is opening price and the overnight high. And maybe right here, 585. That could have been a level. That's what you want to see. That's like 70 points of price action. Jesus. I almost want to short it. It's probably not the smartest thing to do. This could be really bullish. Kind of want to see these levels hold. I need some coffee for this. I'll be right back. All right, market. Maybe a little pullback, NASDAQ. I really need to stop moving my stop. It's getting ridiculous. Damn, this is like freaking 50 points. I mean, she is slow, but at the same time, big ass candles too. That's why I'm not, not trusting this shit. There's also not that many levels for me to play from. Yeah. Continuation made sense. I just, 600. Yeah, looks good. She could go for overnight high. I think in a situation like this, I should have been just once she started trading above opening price, should have been getting involved at that level. Not too sure what's gonna be next play. Probably a pullback towards 610s. See what happens there. Or potentially getting the move for overnight high. And for some reason, where's my CVD? Okay, I want to see what happens around these levels. Kind of expecting some kind of bounce around these levels. Otherwise, I wouldn't be long, obviously. Could be early. I think if this level fails, we got way more down to go to, so see what happens here. I am trading micros, yes sir. Doesn't make sense to trade with 40 point stop losses in minis. I mean, it's something you can do, but I'd rather add to that trade, but I should not fuck around with my stop too much. As in prior, it's really one of my demons in trading, is to be too protective at times. I should give it way more room. So at this point, I could trail it towards the lows of that structure, but not further. As in the same I did prior here, entry, add, and I was too tight. I should still give it the low of that range. I just try to get smart with it, and then So let's give it a little bit of room. Still like the area for the bounce back towards prior swings. Swing high here. Overall, I'm looking for overnight high. But then she has to go past that prior swing point. So I'll try go for the add and then put my stop below structure. This is where you want to see it get picked up. You got the red bubbles, you got sell pressure. You want them to lose the game. You want to see price trade above. In theory, I could trail it towards the lowest one. Because if we go past that one, it's very likely to go to the low of that structure. If we go to the low of that structure, it's very likely to get to the stop. Ideally, I shouldn't be too worried about the stop. The drawdown is contained. Entry area is good. At the same time, yep. Right here, right now, NASDAQ. Delta has not been too strong right here. That is the thing. Go past red bubble. So I should have been out here to the structure. So that would have saved me. How much was it? Maybe 70 bucks. Not the biggest fan after losing this level here. Should have had that patience earlier. And still like the area too. As long as she really doesn't break it. That's not the move I was looking for. I would have added again if she would have immediate rebalance, but she wants the pop lower. It's kind of my last line of defense here. Am I too tight? Yeah, I can always re-enter if I want to. Close above the prior candle would be ideal. Because she's flagging here, she could just grind out lower. This could go like one more down and then up. Red bubble needs to hold. Nope. Go lower. NASDAQ, go lower. NASDAQ, go lower. That would be so brutal if she... Nice, thank you. I'm just not the biggest fan of losing this level. Not really losing it. It's just wicking. Still kind of like the level for long up. I don't want to short it. So this is basically the only play I got for now. What are these lines and cursors? What? Lines and cursors? What do you mean? Those are entries. These things are entries. God damn it, NASDAQ. This could be the last play of the day too. That's so freaking brutal. At the same time, she could still do the same thing, like just grind it out. NASDAQ? Okay, NASDAQ. That shows what you want to do. I think I'm done for today. Missed call. Just not a fan of price action, how it's moving. Don't have any levels really. We'll see what happens. Like, look at this freaking wick, dude. Right, got a little bit distracted by a phone call. Are you a student of World Class Edge or the Orderflow Bootcamp? No, I am not, sir. I am not. That's losing that level. I'm not a fan of longs under that level. Dude, this thing is lagging hard. Maybe that's gonna be a thing. Just long the level and just let it do its thing. Sweeping for sure. But look how it's moving, dude. Is Trump trumping by any means? Secretary of Energy is talking. This could be stuck here too. Basically got a range high at 695s. Get wrecked. A 40 point, 50 point candle in your direction. Nice. Yeah, I haven't seen the boot camp. Luffy's back. Next time you go up and confirm up, I'm adding. If she does that, because it's not looking hot, closing under that level. Not the biggest fan. This is going to be the most ugly bull flag of the month. Come on, man. I kind of want to select the freaking... What? That would make sense. This could have been an ad. If that stop hits, I'm done, so... Early? Maybe? NASDAQ? Luffy, we're not going to do that. We're going to go straight up. I just don't like the stall of things. Stop loss probably is in a bad spot. Could cut it earlier too. This is right here, right now. Delta is They're trying to buy it, but it's not going up, so that's not a good sign. Also not a big fan how price is moving here. Do the... I mean, it's gonna pop one way or another. I kind of want to see it go up sooner than later. It's gonna be my stop, huh? Kind of looking at the red bubbles in the prior candle as protection. These ones. Although it's not looking too hot. It's just not good. Is it NASDAQ? Or is it? It's gonna tease with profits, and then one candle is gonna wick me out. Oh, we're not there yet. We are not there yet. That was a tease. Now she's gonna come stop me. As long as you're not trading above 625, this is not strong. Got top of the hour closing 2 in 2 minutes. If I survive until then. Like the area, but it's just not working as I would think. Dude, it's just not going anywhere. Squeeze it up. So I see a green bubble. So I want price to trade above that green bubble. Otherwise, it's not going to be looking hot for me real quick. Go past the green bubble. I could trim it a little bit. It saves me $70. Not there yet, Luffy. It needs more. Has to go past 625. I'm just gonna put my hands in my pocket and see how my stop gets annihilated. Top of the hour. It's really not looking hot. So it's basically in between strength, as in buy side, sell side. Unable to trade above, unable to trade below. Super range bound, especially on this time frame. This is like a freaking 20-30 point range. Keep the fan going, because we are not out of the woods yet. What I want to do is I want to put 2 here, 2 there. And potentially trail tight as fuck. And when we get above 670s, because my break even points for the day is basically 672s. Kind of want to let it go. 695, 40 points. It's tense, yeah. That was a brutal trade, dude. If you go past the box, I think we go for overnight high. But this is also like a potential area for some good resistance. Pop it, NASDAQ. But this again kind of looks good in that green candle, sell pressure. Sell's getting trapped on that level. Price retests, still looks bullish. Buyers step in right now. Looks good for a break of that level. It could be a quick move too. Lots of business being done here. kind of need to trail the low there, because if that breaks, it's very likely to retrace that whole move. At the same time, candles are that big. Kind of just want to put it somewhat break even. And I should add, but I don't want to do that right now. This is a 1 minute. Not the biggest fan of losing 654. Just gotta pick it up here. Still in that first 30 minutes IB though. This is gonna be resistance until it breaks, obviously. I would give it the benefit of the doubt for at least a retest of a wick or a tick above 688. What is it? 688? Yeah. Is this gonna be the move, perhaps? Maybe. I do know about gamma levels. Got one right here. Options. Pressure on the options, sir. Kind of want to trail if we pop that high. Come on, buddy. 688. fluffy. So because your mood changes, NASDAQ is not gonna go up, bro. That's the to the tick 30-minute IB. So this could fall hard or continue. Seems like he wants to stay range bound. Thank you very much. I'm just getting out of the position. I think it's very likely for price to retest some lower levels. Yeah, I got me break even. That was a really brutal trade. I'm not gonna lie. Nearly 30 minutes, half an hour. Should have had that patience on that trade, then probably would have been done real quick. Most ideal trade location was opening price here, and then a retest of that high. Just very ugly, slow, impulsive, big candles, up and down price action before it went. Trading with small stops, like anything under 40 points, is just, especially on this time frame. $15. Brutal. Yeah, especially as long as she's in the 30-minute IB up here, I don't want a long. It's going to be either against the same level or wait for a break and short it. But I think everything looks a little bit too strong to short it. I don't want to do business here. Kind of looks like bad trade location. Yes, this could be up at the overnight high in 0.2 seconds, but it's kind of too close towards the top. So I need more of a pullback to do so, even though it's still respecting that level. Just wicked a few times. I think I'll take the break even day. I'll take it. What time is it? Got like 45 minutes till the burrito time, lunchtime. I think that's good for me and call it quits. There's no real reason for me to keep punching it. I should have been more patient earlier. or at first be more aggressive at the open to long that level and be more patient on the second one, then I would have not been sitting through this, because there's just not that many levels to play from. Not the biggest fan to do so too. We'll see. I think I'm just gonna come back tomorrow, grab some food, chill out, enjoy the rest of the day, come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Sounds like a plan. And I'm gonna do so too. Right. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.